Hello, my dear students. I am Suchitra Mohanto, assistant teacher in English, Sahityik Mir Musharraf Hossain Secondary School, Kustia. Welcome you all in my today's English first paper class for class 8. This is my first class for you on this page. Okay, my dear students. Can anyone guess what is this? I think many students guess what is this. Yes, you are absolutely right. This is an orange. Now, what is this? Can you say what is this? Yes, you are absolutely right. This is an egg, which is very much good for health. I think many students understand what is our today's topic. Yes, my dear students, our today's topic is good food. Our today's topic is good food. Good food. Unit 2, lesson 1. Unit 2, lesson 1. Class 8. English first paper. Before going to the text, we should know some new vocabs. My dear students, please open your book at page number 11. Unit 2, lesson 1. Nutritious. Nutritious. That means nutritive. That means nutritive or healthful. Healthful. Nutritious. That means nutritive or helpful. My dear students, in Bangla, this word means pushtikor. Pushtikor. Can you make a sentence with the word nutritious? Nutritious. Milk is nutritious for children. Milk is nutritious for children. Okay? Then go to the second vocab. Substances. Substances. That means elements. In Bangla, upadan. Then we see. Can you make a sentence with the word substances? Yes, we can make a sentence with substances. Good food contains natural substances. Then go to the another vocab. Physical. My dear learners, this word pronounced physical. The pronunciation of this word is not physical. So you should very much careful about pronunciation. Physical, that means bodily. In Bengali, sharirik. We can make a sentence with the word physical. Or physical. Condition is not so well. Structure, that means construction. In Bengali, construction means গঠন. We can say her physical, or his physical structure is very nice. Okay, my dear learners, I think these vocabs are clear to you. Now we should go through our reading text. Before going through our reading text, we look at the picture. You should look at the picture. Can you see a picture? Yes, we see a picture. Here we see a madam and some students are talking about something. Actually, it's a classroom environment. And here we see a ma'am with her students are talking about something. Now we go through our reading text. Miss Rehana, the English teacher, is talking to the class about food. Miss Rehana, that means Begum Rehana, ইংরেজি শিক্ষিকা শ্রেণীকক্ষে খাদ্য নিয়ে কথা বলছেন. Actually, here we see Miss Rehana is an English teacher and she speaks about food in her class. Food is very important for our body. She says, তিনি বললেন খাদ্য আমাদের শরীরের জন্য খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ. We can't live without it. আমরা এটি ছাড়া বাঁচতে পারি না. So you must always have good food. সুতরাং তোমাদের অবশ্যই ভালো খাবার খেতে হবে. Here she says that food is very much helpful for our body and we cannot stay without food. We cannot live without food. So we should eat good food in order to live. Then টিচার আস্কড এ স্টুডেন্ট। ভালো খাবার কি শিক্ষিকা একজন ছাত্র প্রশ্ন করল। গুড ফুড মিন্স দ্য রাইট কাইন্ড অফ ফুড ফর গুড হেলথ। ভালো খাবার মানে সঠিক পরিমাণ খাবার ভালো স্বাস্থ্যের জন্য, অর্থাৎ সুস্বাস্থ্যের জন্য সঠিক পরিমাণ খাবারকেই বোঝায়। শেষ মিসেস রেহানা। বেগম রেহানা বললেন, ইট ইজ নিউট্রিশাস। দ্যাট মিন্স she says that it is nutritive or helpful. It is nutritious. In Bengali, it is nutritious, or that means এটি পুষ্টিকর। It must contain natural substances that our body needs to grow properly and stay healthy. It must contain natural substances that our body needs to grow properly and stay healthy. এটিতে অবশ্যই থাকতে হবে প্রাকৃতিক উপাদান সমূহ যেগুলো আওয়ার বডি নিডস টু, আমাদের শরীরের প্রয়োজন গ্রো প্রপারলি, সঠিকভাবে বৃদ্ধিতে এবং সুস্বাস্থ্য ধরে রাখতে, স্টে হেলদি, দ্যাট মিন্স সুস্বাস্থ্য ধরে রাখার জন্য। বাট রিমেম্বার, কিন্তু মনে রাখবে, ইউ মাস্ট নট ইট টু মাচ দো দ্য ফুড ইজ গুড। কিন্তু মনে রাখবে, যদিও খাবারগুলো ভালো, ইউ মাস্ট নট ইট টু মাচ, তোমাদের অবশ্যই বেশি খাবার খাওয়া উচিত নয়। ইটিং টু মাচ ইজ ব্যাড ফর হেলথ। বেশি খাবার খাওয়া স্বাস্থ্যের জন্য ক্ষতিকর। দিস লাইন ইজ ভেরি মাচ ইম্পর্টেন্ট ফর ইউ because we think eating much food is very much good for health, but now we know that eating too much food is very bad for our health. You have to eat only a certain amount of food that your body needs. You have to eat only a certain amount of food that your body needs. That means তোমাকে অবশ্যই খেতে হবে একটা নির্দিষ্ট পরিমাণ খাবার যা তোমার শরীরের প্রয়োজন। So we do not need the same kind of food in the same quantity. সুতরাং আমাদের খাওয়া একই so we do not need the same kind of food in the same quantity. একটি নির্দিষ্ট খাবার, একই মানসম্পন্ন খাবার একই পরিমাণ আমাদের খাওয়া উচিত নয়। সুতরাং আমাদের একই মানসম্পন্ন খাবার একই নির্দিষ্ট পরিমাণে খাওয়া উচিত নয়। ইট ডিপেন্ডস অন ইউর গ্রোথ অ্যান্ড ফিজিক্যাল স্ট্রাকচার। এটি নির্ভর করে আমাদের বৃদ্ধি এবং শারীরিক গঠনের উপর। মাই ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, দিস ইজ all about reading the text. I think you clearly understand our topics. Now section B, here we see some questions. Here we see some questions for you. Some questions, 5 questions. Here we see 5 questions for you. Read the passage again and again, and after reading the passage you have to answer the following 5 questions. My dear learners, please be attentive. You should read the passage again and again, and after reading the passage you should answer these following 5 questions. The first question is, what is Miss Rehana talking about? The first question is, what is Miss Rehana talking about? I give you some time so that you can read the passage again and again and answer this question properly. So please read the text again and again. The first question is, what is Mrs. Rehana talking about? We know in this passage we see Miss Rehana Rehana is talking about good. Why do we eat food? আমরা কেন খাবার খাই? আমরা কেন খাবার খাই? We eat food that we see. We eat food so that we can live. We eat food so that we can live. Then the third question, what is meant by nutritious food? What is meant by nutritious food? পুষ্টিকর খাবার বলতে কি বোঝায়? Nutritious. Nutritious food means, here we see, nutritious food means the kind of food which contains natural substances for our body to grow properly. Natural food means the kind of food which contains natural food means the kind of food which contains natural substances for our body to grow properly. Then the fourth question, how much food does a person need to eat a day? How much food does a person need to eat a day? একজন ব্যক্তি how much food does a person need to eat a day? একজন ব্যক্তি একদিনে কতটুকু খাবার খাওয়া প্রয়োজন? A person needs to eat, here we see the answer is a person needs to eat only food, amount of food daily that his body needs. Daily that his body Number 5. Does everyone need the same amount of food? What? Does everyone need the same amount of food? What? Everyone does not. Everyone does not need the same amount of food because it depends on his growth and physical structure. It depends on his growth and physical structure. Everyone does not need the same amount of food because it depends on his growth and physical. I hope you clearly understand our today's lesson. If you have any problem on this topic, please tell me to comment below so that I can give you answer to comment box. My dear learners, very much for staying with me. Goodbye, my dear students.